Hey everyone, today we'll go through this new vision model from Perceptron. It's called ISEC 0.1, which is a 2 billion parameter model, which makes it fast as well as cost efficient, and it performs better than the other models in the market, which are like 50 times the size of this model. If I show you, their performance is really good compared to Gemini or GPT, with a fraction of the like, cost they have for images question answering. So, what are these visual language models? They can answer queries based on the images, like this one. So here, if you see this, the user has provided a stack of books, and he's asking like point the highest blue book in the stack. So it correctly pointed out that this is the book which is in blue and it's highest on the stack. It could have given this as well, but it does know like what the highest means. It basically means that it can understand spatial position of the things present in the images, as well as it can point them out, like where they are in the image. It can answer questions like you can provide graphs, some visuals like some tick marks and all, and you can ask questions like whether user has which option user has selected if you have images, and it can answer that very well. You can if you have already used other computer vision techniques, they are like YOLO and all. You can utilize it for like I think license plate detection and all. You can use this one as well for the same. You can use it for OCR. You can use it for as I mentioned, like pointing and all. If you see this, there is an example where they want to know whether the user has or the worker has gloves or not. So like all individuals entering the work site should be wearing helmet, gloves, close to shoes. If all three are not worn, please say alert. So in this case, they have worn helmet, shoes are there, but gloves are not there. So if you see, it correctly outputs alert. And there are other things you can ask with this, and I think, yeah, we will go over some more details. These are like you can go through their release blog and see like what are the numbers or the benchmarks they are presenting, as well as there is this user guide where they actually explain, like if I show you this example here, you can pass image of all the houses, and then you can ask it to bound the homes, and you see this, it has created bounding boxes across all the homes provided. This one is really good. You see this asking for like how many boxes are present. This is a bit of a tough problem to answer through these models, but it correctly outputted that. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So around 5 boxes are there, and the reasoning you see here, right? They appear to be arranged in somewhat scattered manner, with some boxes open and closed. So it does know there are boxes which are open and closed. The box sizes are different, with largest likely on the back. So maybe it's referring to these two, which are the largest ones, and they are at the very end of the image. Others, I think the one more like very interesting things they provide is you can actually give them images and let model learn on top of it. Like these models do know like who is Elon Musk or something, or they can correctly point it out, or some maybe some items are there which you want to find in an image. So generally you can't do it, but with this, right, they do provide that you can provide the entities, like they mention it as like character of interest 1 and character of interest 2, these two, and they're asking in this image to point that out. it has correctly made those bounding boxes, pointing them out like who is the character 1 and character 2, and it's really good. You can utilize it for many other use cases, and the same here is given. They are providing some kitchen utensil and they are asking it to find it where it's present in the image, and it's correctly pointing that out. We'll go through one of the use case. I think what we can do is we'll try its demo, and maybe what I would like to do is, maybe you have a video, so you might want to build a video understanding system which can not just have the transcripts but also understand what's there visually in the video. So this is one of the video, and I was watching on YouTube, and you see here one of the image suggests that there is a mention of Yahoo. Okay, what I want is, but there is no mention of Yahoo in the audio. So maybe what I want to know is, like, it's a long video, maybe I want to, I watched this video, I remember around Yahoo when image was shown, something interesting was being shared in the video. I just want to go there. So you can build a system, maybe take images, let's say 2 or 3 images per second, and then ask these vlms for generating some, basically describing the image. So let's do this. I think, okay, I think I'll maybe take a screenshot of it. Okay, and okay, so I'll take a screenshot and I'll ask it to explain this image to me. Okay, maybe I'll copy it or I'll save it. Yeah. And can I paste it? Yes. So this is the image. What I want is, they have various type of outputs you can ask for. I'll go with this one, and I'll ask it to describe the image. Okay, and I'll run it. So you see here, it's correctly outputted that the image shows a close-up view of computer screen displaying Yahoo. And what you can do is, there is Excital as well, a lot of things are being detected. What you can do is, you can take this along with the transcripts, had some mechanism with which you can actually combine those and then index them, and with your index maybe Solar or some vector indexes, use that for searching. In this way you can build a very good video understanding system, allow searching and all, and yeah, I think this is really good. There's I think there is another model which is, I think, Moondream. They are also releasing their Moondream 3. This is also very interesting. In the next video I'll go through it, and we'll see like what all capabilities we are getting with Moondream 3, and how you can utilize it in your next project. Let me know, like, if you want this video understanding system built. I can maybe build this system and make another video. Just comment it out and I'll be able to do it. Thanks everyone.